This here for printer Fuji DocuPrint. This here for serial, and this here for error and echo tank, and this here for the continue. If you error echo tank, you click the general, and this here for the general setup, you click here. This here for the paper toner, you click OK. This here paper toner, you click for the general setup, click here paper toner, and this here for the paper toner. Okay, this for the OK. You select, you continue, and this here for replace toner, this white. This here for the print. Okay, and this here for continue print. Okay, this here for thank you for watching.